Hello everyone, I'm Leo, a blockchain developer with over 10 years of experience in the industry. In today's video, I'll be showcasing an exciting open source trading bot I've been developing. This bot is designed to capitalize on arbitrage opportunities and front-running strategies, leveraging popular decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. The core functionality of this bot revolves around the concept of sandwiching transactions. Here's how it works. The bot analyzes pending transactions. These are essentially transactions that have been initiated but not yet processed. It then selects certain transactions and sets higher gas prices to prioritize its own transactions. This allows it to execute trades before and after the pending transactions, capturing profit from the slippage. All this sounds a bit complex, don't worry. I've been using this bot and fine-tuning it for months, generating passive income along the way. The great news is that you don't need any coding experience to use it, as the majority of the code was developed by myself. Before we dive in, a quick word of caution. The cryptocurrency landscape is filled with scammers. Never share your seed phrase or sensitive information with anyone under any circumstances. Now, let's head over to my development setup and get started. First, make sure you have the MetaMask browser extension installed. MetaMask is essential for interacting with Web3. Now we will go to Remix, which is used for creating Solidity-based smart contracts. I'll put a link to Remix along with everything else you need in the description below. Only use links from my video description to ensure you're doing everything correctly. It may take some time for Remix to load, so be patient. Once everything is loaded, move over to the sidebar on the left and create a new contract under the Contracts folder. Name it bot.sol. In the description, I've linked the bot source code. This is open source, so feel free to verify the code yourself if you'd like. Copy the code and paste it into the file bot.sol you just created. This is our bot and everything is already set by default. Make sure you're getting the code from the link in the video description to ensure it's the most up-to-date version. Before we compile our bot, make sure to read the quick user guide at the top. It's important to note that for the bot to function optimally, it's recommended to use a minimum deposit of 0.5 ETH or more. If you don't have 0.5 ETH or more, the absolute minimum liquidity required is 0.2 ETH. Anything less than 0.2 ETH runs the risk of absolute losses. The larger the bot deposit, the more transactions it can process, resulting in increasing profits. Confirm that your wallet contains more than 0.5 ETH with a little bit extra to pay for gas fees, and that you're connected to the Ethereum mainnet. Let's go over to the Solidity compiler tab now. At the very top of the code, you will see it's built with version 0.8.4 of Solidity. Under Compiler, select the 0.8.4 version to match our contract. Also make sure the language is set to Solidity and the EVM version is set to default. Let on compile bot.sol and wait for the bot to compile. Now, let's deploy this from our wallet. Head over to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab. Here select Injected Web3 as the environment. MetaMask will pop up, just connect it. If everything looks good, click Deploy. I always set gas fees to aggressive. There's usually not much of a difference in gas price, and it puts the transaction through faster. Let's wait for the transaction to confirm. Great, we can see here that it's confirmed, meaning our smart contract is deployed. Scroll down and click this. Now you can see the bot's control panel. These two are for more advanced users. Don't touch them unless you've used bots like this before. Start Native will start the bot, enabling it to read pending transactions. Stop will stop the bot, exiting the pending transactions queue. Withdraw will withdraw the entire bot's balance back to your wallet. Debug can be useful if you run into issues. Let's copy the smart contract address with this button here and paste it into Etherscan to make sure it's created. Yep, it was created successfully. Next, let's fund the contract. I'll copy the smart contract address once more and head over to MetaMask. Make sure you got the right address in there. Let's put in 1 ETH and set gas fees to aggressive again. Nice, transaction confirmed. Now the bot has ETH to work with. Let's double check our contract on Etherscan to make sure it's funded. Perfect. Now the last step is to click Start. Let's set the gas fees to aggressive and click Confirmed. I'm just to let the bot run for a full day and review our results. Alright, it's been a little over a day. Let's refresh Etherscan and see where we're at. Wow. It's over 2.2 ETH, that's 1.2 ETH Dave in a single day. Now let's retrieve our bot's balance. Since the bot's already stopped, we can now click the Withdraw button. You'll want to click the Stop button before doing this, but I already get it. Let's click it. This will charge us a little bit of gas. I'll set it to aggressive again and click Confirm. There we go, the transaction confirmed. Let's go to our MetaMask. Nice, as you can see the bot's balance is in my wallet. Keep in mind this is only after 24 hours. In some weeks I've made up to 20 ETH, though the amount can vary. Let me know what profits you get in the comments below. Seriously, drop a like and subscribe. I've been working on this for a long time and could have easily charged money for it. I'll keep working on this bot, and the code links in the description will always be the most up-to-date version. Future plans include Layer 2 implementation and Binance Smart Chain compatibility. Now for now, turn on post notifications and give this a try. Stay safe and see you guys in the next video.